Hi, my name is Harshvardhan Chaturvedi and I'm a legal intern at Lexis and Company. So today we are going to talk about Delhi High Court term caps out to 20 lakh people for distribution of non-PDS ration. The court, however, restrained from passing any order after Delhi government informed that a review of the cap was underway. The Delhi High Court on Friday observed that the Delhi government decision to cap the number of non-PDS beneficiaries at 20 lakh was arbitrary and ad hoc and also inadequate in the given circumstances of an impending third wave of COVID-19. In the case of Delhi Rozi Roti Adhikar Abhiyan versus Union of India, a vacation bench of Justice Anup Bhambani and Jasmeet Singh of the Delhi High Court heard the petition filed by the Delhi Rozi Roti Adhikari Abhiyan challenging the guidelines issued by the Delhi government for distribution of ration to people without ration cards on non-PDS beneficiaries. The Delhi High Court issued notice to the respondents and directed the Delhi government to file a fresh affidavit listing the matter of the hearing on July 9, 2021. According to the Delhi government's guidelines, people without ration cards are entitled to receive 5 kg of ration from any of the 282 schools designated as distribution centers. These guidelines have been challenged to the extent that they cap the maximum number of beneficiaries at 20 lakh and restrict the ration only as one-time relief of 5 kg per person. In the earlier reply affidavit filed by the government, it was claimed that as of June 23, 2021, 15.5 lakh out of 20 lakh people had already availed the ration under the guidelines. Advocate Trideep Pais, appearing for the DRA, submitting that the limit of 20 lakh is likely to hit soon, after which people indeed will have no access to ration. In this matter, Delhi High Court took cognizance of issues highlighted by the DRRAA and observed that capping of non-PDS beneficiaries to 20 lakh was arbitrary and also extremely inadequate on ground of being one-time measure during the pandemic. Even if one person goes hungry, it is a failure of the scheme. How did you come to this absurd 20 lakh figure? Said Justice Singh. In its order to Delhi High Court said in that smacks of arbitrariness. A notification was put on by the Delhi government capping the number of non-PDS beneficiaries to 20 lakh. Advocate Trideep Pais on behalf on the DRA points that dispute the second wave being equally virulent, harsh and even greater impact on the economic and beneficial well-being on the residents of Delhi. The government put this cap. He also points out that during the first wave, as per data available, more like 69 lakh beneficiaries were awarded ration kits. Advocate Anuj Agarwal, appearing on the behalf of the Delhi government, submitted the Delhi government does not consider the present application as an adversarial matter. He also submitted that the Delhi cabinet took a decision to place on cap on non-PDS beneficiaries, since there are a large number of migrant workers stranded in Delhi, which was the case during the second wave. Nevertheless, out of 20 lakh non-PDS beneficiary provisions for whom had been made by the Delhi government, only 15 lakh people availed the ration, Agarwal said. Thank you.